In 2026, NASA will send 4 astronauts on a 10-day voyage around the moon. The next great step in humanity has returned to deep space. For the first time in more than 50 years, we rise together, back to the moon and beyond. The Apollo program of the 60s and 70s was about short-term landings. But Artemis, named after Apollo's twin sister, has far bigger goals: establishing moon bases, unlocking resources, and preparing for the ultimate destination, Mars. The US isn't alone. China plans to land humans on the moon by 2030. But right now, Artemis is leading the race, with Artemis 3 targeting a landing at the Lunar's South Pole, a place no human has ever set foot. Why? Because here, hidden in the shadows, may lie frozen water. Water that can be turned into drinking supplies, oxygen to breathe, and even hydrogen fuel, the foundation for a sustainable lunar presence. Unlike Apoyo Artemis, is powered by partnerships. Commercial players like SpaceX and Firefly Aerospace are helping NASA reduce costs and build a lunar economy. Firefly's Blue Ghost lander already touched down on the moon in 2024, proving this new model works. Private companies are also eyeing the moon. One example, Interloon, a startup planning to mine helium-3 from lunar soil. Rare on Earth, but abundant on the moon, helium-3 could revolutionize energy, quantum computing, and national security. Today, it's valued at $20 million per kilogram. But Artemis comes at a cost. $93 billion by 2025. Supporters argue the investment boosts jobs, technology, and global leadership. Critics question whether this money could be better spent back on Earth. What could the moon look like in 50 to 100 years? A hub of industry, a gateway to Mars, even the birthplace of giant rotating space habitats that mimic Earth's gravity. With advances like fusion propulsion, trips to Mars could shrink from 7 months to just 30 days. But with great progress comes big questions. Who owns the moon? Who benefits from its resources? And what happens when a sacred symbol for cultures worldwide becomes an industrial hub? As Dr. David Given Jampalai reminds us, one person's future may be another person's desecration. The Artemis era is just beginning. Will the moon become humanity, is the second dome, or the first battleground for space's future? The answers lie just beyond the horizon.